Hello everybody. Today we pass our third lesson about AWS AppStream integration with GIS ArcGIS Pro. You remember that our last lesson we create image builder and also we create images. Now you can see our image builder is running. If we want to connect, we can see our virtual machines. Also we have images, ArcGIS images. If you don't watch our video, you can check from my LinkedIn account other links. Okay, today we talk about that fillets. What is fillets? Fillets give us some special options in the upstreams. We create image builders and we install our ArcGIS Pro in the image builders. Fillet give us some specialty. What is special in the fillet? When we create fillets, in these times we don't need install other virtual machines. Fillet give us more instance. When we create fillets, we increase instance, we decrease the instance. Fillet is create from the back different of virtual machines. That's why we need fillets. We only create one image builders. Behind this process we join our image builders, the fillets same time create different instance, different type of virtual machines. Fillet has three types. One types always one. Select this fillet types of provide user instance of access their applications and others one diamond. One diamond means is that when user joins the URL, when user begin to use these times, user get access. Now I choose one diamond. We click next. In this section we must write our image builder's name is here. I write here ArcGIS Pro fillet. We can choose our image builder's names. Okay, in this section we must choose instance type. Remember that which instance you need, which instance you get limit increase. This times you must choose from here. I get a graphic G4 instance increase. That's why I choose my graphic G4 increase limits. In this section, user session details, we can manage here how many minutes, how many our user can join our application, our virtual machines. Now I don't make any configuration. After we can make it. If you want to your virtual machine will be multiple user session, you can click here. Now I don't need. You can manage here how many virtual machine you need. Examples that you have ArcGIS Pro users in your company, 5 pupils. After 6 months later you get new workers in your company. Exactly, your ArcGIS Pro users will be 15. Fillet give us some specialty. You can increase the fillet instance types. Exactly, you can write 50s and your fillet increase your limits. Okay, this is fillet types. In this section we must choose we join our fillet some application or desktop. ArcGIS Pro is desktop, that's why I choose desktop. Okay, now we choose next. we create our image builders, and in this section we must choose image. What image we want to add fillets. You remember that we create our images, ArcGIS image, and we also create image builder, and we add our ArcGIS Pro like images. We can create one image builder, and also we add here different of application, different of this people, but only I add here one image. That's why I choose this instance. This is my image builder instance, and I click next. In this section we must enable our internet access. We must choose subnets. I choose subnet with this one, this one, and this one. So I choose subnets, and we click next. Okay, we can set our field configuration parameter. Which one do you want to change? You can click edit, and you can change the sections also. In this sections it's enough for me. I create my fleets. I accept and click. Maybe it give me some region problems. I solve it. Okay, our fleet is starting. It take 5 or 10 minutes. When our fleet is ready, after this process I create our stack. I give some information. What is stacks? Stacks, when we create our fleets, after we join our fleets with stacks, fleet gives us some specialty. We can create some URL in fleet. We can create user pools, use stacks. End of the users who use ArcGIS Pro only see stacks URL and stacks access base. From the stacks we can give some special access for users. When this process is running, we create our stack. Okay, our fleet is running now, is ready for use. Let's go. We must check and create our stacks. In this section we create stack. We must write our stacks names. ArcGIS Pro stack.
Ah, a feeling of pure joy.
Same name, sorry. Okay, in this section we must choose fleet. Which fleet we want to use Slack. I add our ArcGIS Pro fleets because I want to choose this, and in this section you choose TCP or UDP. I choose TCP. Okay, in this section is storage section. If you want to add some other storage like Google Drive or OneDrive, you can click this parameters and you configure Google Drive or OneDrive parameters. Now I choose my home folders, that's why I don't any configuration for this. Okay, I click next sections. In these sections we configure our user what access need, what can do. In this here clipboard our user can copy and paste, or we can disable our user doesn't any make copy or paste. I open copy and paste function is active. Copy to local device some characters or no. We can say in this section you choose file transfer. Your user can upload and download some files. You remember that I upload my ArcGIS Pro setups from my computer to virtual machines. If you want to your user can use this functionality, you can give some access here. for this sections. In this section you can make, if you want, enable printing, or user can make some prints, or no password directory. All is default now. Okay, now I choose next. This is our functionality. Now I create stacks. Our stack is very successful created. Okay, we must create our stacks URL. What is stack URL? Stack URL is we give our users this URL. Our user use this URL and can use ArcGIS Pro. We must add users ID. I add Sahriyar, and you can give this URL expiration times. It's 1 hour, 1 day, 30 minutes, or 1 week. I choose 1 hour and get URL. My URL is ready. Okay, I copy URL and come browser, paste. No, I cannot copy. Launch in browser library. Okay, this user is created. You understood that what happened. We create one image builder, and in this section we create one image. Our image is ArcGIS Pro. Also we create one virtual machine with use Fleet. Fleet is our virtual machines, and also create some Slack. Our Slack gives these frames. Okay, I click ArcGIS Pro. Now we join our remote machines. After this process we can use our ArcGIS Pro from AWS Cloud. We integrate our ArcGIS Pro to AWS Cloud. What give this us? I think that we don't need configure any ArcGIS Pro different of computers, different of machines. We only create one ArcGIS Pro, one virtual machines, and Fleet give us some specialty. We increase our instance. Imagine that instance is a different type of computer. Fleet give us some specialty. Fleet create different type of different count virtual machines, and we can use this virtual machine for our works. If future you increase your workers, you decrease your workers, this time you can manage fleets and stacks. In this section you give some specialty your users. User can use ArcGIS Pro. Okay, my virtual machine now is ready, and directly open ArcGIS Pro. We can use now ArcGIS Pro. Only click this URL. We click this URL and give users. User take and use ArcGIS Pro. This is ArcGIS Pro configuration from the AWS Cloud. There are some special section. This section is user poll. What is user poll? In this user polls, you see that from stack URL when we create stack. When we create stack URL, there are some expiration times, 1 week, 1 day, or you want to give your I think that in your company there are some pupils, they don't need any time limits, they work all days. That's why you must create user. In this section you write your users names. I write my Gmails, user's name Sahriyar, and last name I write my last name Rashab. I create user. In this time I must go my Gmail account. I must check my Gmail account to it give me one URL and one temporary password. I must change my password. My temporary password is this. I must change my temporary password and must create to myself new password. Generate new password. Look, generate new password for my virtual machine. This is my password. No, I don't know what okay, I create password. Opus is set password. Uppercase R there. Okay, I set my password. Your admin hasn't assigned apps to yet. Contact your okay. I join other sites and connect. It is normal. Okay, our user is ready now. I give user. I think that this is end of our lessons. Thank you.